Hi there, students. To snaffle. To snaffle. I think this is a great word. This is an informal verb meaning to take, to nick, to purloin. Somebody snaffled my bag. Yeah? Somebody snaffled the last cream cake and I thought I was going to have it. Okay, so this is an informal word meaning to take something, to appropriate it for your own use, for yourself, particularly if you do it in a rather underhand or a devious mean way, to purloin something, yeah, to obtain by irregular means, yeah. Also very often if you snaffle something you take it so that nobody else gets it, yeah. Get in there before someone else does. Okay, so to snap up, to steal, to take, yeah. All of the bargains were snaffled up in 10 minutes. They were grabbed, they were seized, they were snapped up, they were taken. Okay, so this is a very informal word. Notice this is British. I don't think the Americans will know this one. So be careful with that, and also be careful that because it's a very informal word. Yeah. So to snaffle, to take something quickly. Yeah. For you, in order to prevent anyone else getting it or having it. Yeah. He snaffled all the crisps before I could have any of them. Yeah. The best bargains were snaffled up very quickly. Yeah. Okay, so it's to take and stop anyone else getting it. Yeah. You're first there, you've seen it. This is something very useful. Or maybe I'm walking past the rubbish. Yeah, I'm a real rubbish hound, and I see something that looks quite useful in the rubbish. I better take it before somebody else snaffles it. Yeah, before somebody else takes it and it's gone. Yeah, so you could even, I think, snaffle an opportunity. Yeah. I thought I was going to be able to get this job, but somebody else snaffled it before I even applied for it. Now, let's see, technically, a snaffle is also a bit. Let's see, a bit is a piece of metal that you put in a horse's mouth in order to control the horse or to train it. Yeah, so that's a snaffle, and to snaffle would mean to put a bit on a horse, but that's very technical and I would never use it like that. Maybe they use it in horsey circles. To snaffle, to purloin, to nick, to take, to grab, yeah, to snap up the opportunity. Yeah. Somebody snaffled my bike. Yeah, well, if I snaffle this one here, that'll probably make it even. Yeah. Okay, so to snaffle, effectively to take something into your possession. Yeah. Somebody else. If you don't act now, someone else will snaffle this. Okay, so people snaffle up bargains. Notice with the up quite often, very quickly, because otherwise somebody else will take the bargain or buy the bargain or take the opportunity. To snaffle up an opportunity before somebody else snaffles it, takes it quickly, and it's gone. Okay, so formality. This is an informal word. I would probably give it maybe 3.5. I would say only use it informally. Notice the word itself sounds a little bit posh as well. Yeah. So that's to note as well. It's very informal, posh English. Which is an interesting twist. Okay, so to snaffle, to take, to nick, to steal, to gain by deception, to take something before somebody else has a chance of doing it. Yeah, to get in there first. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Snaffle up.